to 4x squared minus 3x times the function prime, which is 8x minus 3. Is that what you had in mind?
Yeah, that looks like one of the rules, yeah. What about in regards to it being involved with like a log?
Okay, so let's also look at log. So now if the base is not e, oops, so we have 3 raised to 4x squared minus 3x times 8x minus 3, but times natural log 3. It should be natural log e here, but it's 1. That's why we don't write it. Now if we have natural log of 3x squared minus 2x, let's say, and I want to differentiate this, I have 1 over 3x squared minus 2x multiplied by 6x minus 2, the inner function prime. Is this what you had in mind?
Yeah, that helps a little bit.
Do you have a particular problem you want us to work on?
Not off the top of my head. I'm looking for one, so maybe come back to me a little bit later.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, I'm ready.
So what's the limit at infinity? It's the square root of 25x squared plus x. And then outside of it is minus 5x.
Like this.
Yes.
Perfect. So if you remember, this is what we did last time also. This is infinity minus infinity. And what we have to do is rationalize the numerator, which we normally don't do, but in this case, this is the only option. So the square root of 25x squared plus x plus 5x, and the square root of 25x squared plus x. So from the very beginning, I plugged it in to see what the situation was, and I realized that it's an indeterminate case, infinity minus infinity. So that's my only option. So now I will multiply the tops, and I get 25x squared plus x minus 25x squared. And then the denominator is just the square root, and I will factor out x squared already. X squared, 25 plus 1 over x, and plus 5x. So do not ever drop the limit operator till the end. Okay, so these two go away. And now, because x approaches infinity, this piece, the square root of x squared, changes into x. If x would approach negative infinity, it would have changed into negative x. So we continue with limit as x approaches infinity. Because it's x, I can already factor it out as the square root, 25 plus 1 over x and plus 5. And the numerator is positive x. At this point, we simplify x with x. And as x approaches infinity, this will approach 0. The square root of 25 is 5, and 5 plus 5 is 10, and the numerator approaches 1. I have to write, because I know when x approaches infinity, if I get a number, it means that y equals 1 over 10, horizontal asymptote at infinity. I have not checked what happens at negative infinity, even if there is an asymptote there. So I have to write this on the side. Like I have to write on the side if I have limit as x approaches 0 from the right of 1 over x, and because I get infinity, I have to write that x equals 0 is a vertical asymptote. Any questions? Any questions?